Hey there, Brysen from Bold Commerce. In this video, I'm going to give a brief description and show you how to create a buy now link with Bold subscriptions in less than 3 minutes. Buy now links direct your customers straight to the Shopify checkout with a pre-selected subscription product along with a predetermined frequency and quantity. These links reduce the number of steps it takes for customers to complete their subscription purchase, leading your shop to increase sales. You can use buy now links to sell your subscription products on external websites such as a blog or social media page. Create unique marketing content like marketing emails and promotions that focus on a single subscription product. Before a buy now link can be generated for a product, your product must belong to an active subscription group. To see how to set up a subscription, please visit our help center or check out the video in the description below. With that being said, let's go through the process of creating a buy now link. From within Bold Subscriptions, click Subscriptions, then click Buy Now. On the next screen, click on Select a Product and select the product or variants that you would like applied to the Buy Now link. After choosing your product, click Confirm at the bottom of the page. Next, choose the frequency you would like applied to the subscription and enter a value for the quantity you would like to use for the product. Once you're satisfied with your configuration, click Create URL at the bottom of the page. Selecting this button brings up a generated URL that you can apply to any page or platform that accepts the URL. I'm going to add the Buy Now link to a custom page and use it as a hyperlink. Once the link has been added to your desired page or platform, select the link and confirm that you are directed into the checkout page with the correct product, frequency, and quantity set. And that's all there is to it. For more information on buy now links, please check out our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.